Special technique, harder. Show him, yes, you must move, like, move and fight. Don't give, move, speed. Combo. Immediately speed, like you go like a thunder. The kick shit down, terrible, you go kick down immediately. Again, Jordan. Come on, Karthik. I have only opened you. You're a champion. Fight like a champion. Breathe. Keep your mind cool. Technical, Izagiri, fly knee kick, Ustrogiri. I told Gidan Mawashi, Ustro, heel. Attack the leg. Spin. Yes, very good. Move. Attack, keep going. Work hard. Come on, Nishant. Come on, Lakshita. Knocker. Move. You only have 1 week left. Only 5 days, not 1 week. We are going on Saturday. We have only 5 days. You have only 4 days. Move like a champion. Come on, attack. Move. Agasisnan. First you do, then you go inside. Right, come back. Let him do combo. Next you plan what you want to do. Move. Continue. Hey, I told continue. Move. Yeah, move out now. Yeah, attack. Hard, break him. Attack him. Come on, Agasisnan. Use more Gidan knee kick. Yes, very good. Move back. Yes, very good. Move back. I told move back. Hey, move back. Let him come in. That very good. Good combination. Plan some 10 kicks, 10 punches or 2 punches, 10 kicks combo. The best technique what you can do. Not hitting the back now. Hit hard technically. Attack. Little more up. Not down. Little more up. Yes. Blast him, show him who are you. Move inside. Now inside. How? Attack. That's what don't have courage. They're telling that they don't have custody. They come and attack like enemy. You show who are you. Don't injure panna panika. Call the plan slow panna. You have any problem, don't do hard. Don't damage yourself. Attack Lakshita, you must move Lakshita, you're not moving. Move and fight. I want move. Footwork. You must move Nishan, move. Again move. Move Nishan, come on. Inner, play. Yes. Good. Again, yes. Don't stand, attack and move. Come on, Parashit. You must attack and move. You should know how to move. You should not get to them. Attack, move, attack them. Play, inner, outer. Yes. Very good, Lakshita. Guard up. The guard is down. Very good. Come on, Nishan, play. Play, Nishan. Move, Nishan. Move and fight. The guard up, guard is down. See his eyes and fight. Good. Hard kicks, Nishan. Move, Parashit, come on, move. Breathe, you're not breathing. Kick hard. Come on, Parashit, move. Knee kicks, I don't knee kick more. Attack his thigh, yes. Gidan, Jordan, come on, Parashit. Move, very good, move. Play. Don't get tired, keep your mind cool. Yes, you must move like move, guard up. Guard elevate, guard, don't keep your hand closed, don't get punches. Move. Yes. Keep going. Play. You know how to play the ball, like a football. Take the ball, move. Yes. See where you can go, take the goal. Attack, next, move. Tight a belt. Tight. Hard kick, Nishan. So I'm a champion, yes. Move. But you should move, don't stand. You stand, they attack you. You should know how to move and play. Play more inner kick. More inner Gidan. And Jordan. Don't go Chudan. Chudan you can go knee kick. On the pad you can use knee kicks. Breathe. See ya. Cool. See ya. Keep your mind cool. Yes, fight. So Nishan, so blast them. Do knee kick, back knee kick. Yes, Nishan, knee kick. Right hook, Gidan, knee kick, Megri, heel kick. Use the name Megri heel. Play. Move, attack the leg. Yes, good. That one, very good. And scissor kick, Jordan, left leg. Right leg jump, left leg. Do left leg. The guard is will open that. Scissor kick. Hammer kick, front leg hammer. Uchimawashi inside, up. That back kick, Uchimawashi. That should kick them hard. Each kick powerful. What? Ease kick powerful. Ease kick. Ease punch real. I want real. Real. Combo speed. Technical. Come on, Arshit. Calm Sharo. Take care of yourself. Attack. Blast them. Even referee stop. Don't stop. Hit him. Kill him. Let him go out of the stage. Keep going. Come on, move. Don't stand. Move. Attack. Guard up. Focus on the guard. See the eyes and kick down. You must get the trophy. Everybody should get champion. Say your own weight, your own category, your own division. You want to be a champion. Get the trophy. Break them into the part. Don't see Nishan. Don't see down. See up. Come on, Parshit. Knee kick, yes. Come here, I want to tight. Move. Never go for second round. First round, knock down them. What? First round, attack, kick, punch, kick, punch. Yeah, use your brain. See what you can do. Yes? Hammer kick. Hammer. Back leg. Front leg. You try to use front leg, Jodan. Hit him hard. One kick, knock down. Never hit him light. Like Nitish, last time kick the lighter, the real kick. That time done one with the fastest knockdown. Because the kick was not powerful. You kicked him, but not powerful. One kick knockdown. Come on, Nishan, Nitish. What? Real kick. I want real Jodan Mawashi. Power. Kick the face hard. Move. Yes. Hard. Shout. Hell. Show your hanger. Tell I'm a champion. Yes. Move back. Yes. Move. You also same. Real kick, real punch. Gidan, hit them hard. Blast them. Move. You must move and kick. Move. You must move. Tell him move. Guard up. See straight. Don't sit down. See up. Very good. Hard. Blast them. Go more, Gidan. Go inner, outer. And knee kick. Yes. And sometimes Jodan. Yes. Move. Keep going. Last 30 seconds now. Speed up. Yes. Blast that full of black. Don't go pity on anybody. Each fighter knock them. Yes. Yes. Attack speed. Rocket like a rocket. You got the power. You got the spirit. You are strong. You are a champion. Move. You are a warrior. What? You are a warrior. Kyokushin warrior. Show them who are you, Nishant. Come on. Move harder. Blast. Move. Play. You must play opposite. Hit the back. Like yes, both opposite fighting like. Hit the back. Move. See what you can do. Yes, move. Keep moving. Come on. Keep a hand up. Keep a hand up and fight. Breathe. You're breathing, you get energy. Last 10 seconds. Now show him speed up. Bum. Kick. Punch, kick. Speed up. 5, 4, 3, 2, break. Power, power, hard kicks. Real. Breathe. Attack. Start. Fight. You also fight. Don't give up. You go fight. Attack. You attack the like opponent. Yes, move. Do. You also do. Why are you standing? Do. Yes. Move. That he didn't have space there. He can move now. Spider-Man punch, Superman punch, and kick. And Jodan. Sometimes Superman punch fake. It's a fake kick. Use the fake kick also. Fake cheat them and kick that also. Fake kick, fake your Superman punch, but not punch to kick. What are you doing, man? What are you doing, man? Hey, why do you attack and move back? Move back. Let him go in. Do fast. Encourage him. Think what you can do better. This kick I can knock somebody. One kick. Try to be a champion 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Don't go second round. Knock them in the first round itself. You want to be champion? You should try to plan your game. You must fight less time and go move to other round. You are fighting longer, you get injury. Yes? Guard up, flexible, breathe. Real. Attack them. Make it above the belt. Double Gidan, triple Gidan, Chudan, Jodan, Kia, Jodan, pop. Yes, let it. That kick should be powerful. Last kick. Shout, aggressive. Ah! You made that fellow gone down. Hit him, no. They're taking the stretcher. They should take him the stretcher. That real hard. Let him give the guard. Break his hand. Let him break his leg. Break his shin. Come on, Nishan. Attack. I can't feel it. Only Karthik is doing good. Lakshya a little better. Nishan can do better, but it's not pushing. You're not pushing, Nishan. You can do, break the boundaries, break the limit. Don't sit down, you're sitting down. Technically, see what you can do. Cartwheel, you can use cartwheel, hand down, kick, Jodan. Yes, the kick, that floor should go down. When on the floor, they'll not attack you. Brazilian Mawashigiri. Brazilian Mawashi, hold, go back, Mawashi, take, middle up, hold the leg, pop. Not the middle, tight one. Rare, very rare use that kick. Jodan, you make sure that your opponent guard is down. Then go Jodan, don't go, but your kick is very powerful, let you keep guard. He'll lock down. The way you kick hard, no problem, even they keep the guard. Breathe. Last 2 minutes. Speed up. Kick, punch, kick, punch, kick. Like that, Karthik is throwing down. Technical move, attack. After Jodan, the skin should peel up. You fight one body, next fight should run away. The other fighter next to next not fight you. You tell he'll kill me. Yes? They should scared to fight you at the first round. Knock them with the 5 seconds. Nishan. See down, you're sitting down again. Keep your head straight and fight. Breathe. Come on, Lakshita. Show what are you? You know who are you? Your daughter of Sensei Babu Nataraj. Break them. Punch very slow. 1, 2, 3, pop, speed, pump. You know, move like a champion. Attack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pump, kick, Mawashi, immediately. Now punch, kick, then move. Come on, move. You must fight, move back. You guys are not eating good. Move. Breathe. Last 40 seconds. Show your power, Nishan. Where are you doing now? He's sitting down again. I'm telling so many times. See up. See his eyes. Look at us. Stare him. Attack him. Show him. Move, take him. But you must move. You're not moving. Move. Last 20 seconds. Now speed up. Attack. Punch, kick, free kick. Attack. Fly like a rocket. Come on, Lakshita. Break. Show who are you. 10, 8, 7, 6, knee kick. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, away.